Yeah. Good afternoon. Today we're gonna talk about foam. How we build the foam for any kind of car. Today we're gonna work in a 1934 Chevy Coupe. This is the old foam. This is the backrest. This is the bottom cushion. What we're gonna do in this, we're gonna duplicate or we're gonna make something close to the foam because we're gonna do a couple adjustments to add, like we're gonna add like lumbar support so this way the customer is gonna be really comfortable. So to make this foam and to get to the point that how is this, we have to make patterns. And I'm gonna show you this pattern. This pattern is for the backrest. Let me show you this very quickly. Here you see. So that is for the back. This is leftover. Now I'm gonna show you. This is for the bottom cushion. Okay, we're gonna move this. I'm doing this really fast so this way we can fit this in a short video. Okay. After that we have this pattern. This is for the back. And the same one we use for the bottom. Okay. Like you see over here, they have these little bolsters just to give it like nice support to the driver or the passenger. We're gonna do exactly the same here. To make the foam, we have to put 3 sheets together, glue it down. Then you can see we make up the pattern. Like this one over here. This is like a 7 inch, almost 7 inch. We cannot get the 7 inch. The thicker one is like 4 inch. But we have the 4 inch stock, so we use the 3 inch foam and put like 3 pieces together. So that's what we have. All of this is leftover. So now we don't need this foam anymore. But we make our foam. This car is gonna be in 2 tones. Is the black and the burgundy. We're doing a complete interior in this car. We're gonna do everything. Door panels, carpet, photo panels, key panels, headlamps, the dash, trunk, everything is gonna be done. But this video is gonna be only about the bucket seats, the foam, how we do the foam. Here is the machine that we use, and to do the cutout, we have a special machine that can cut up to 27 inch. I've been doing this for over 30 years. Before I opened the shop, I used to do private jets. We did a lot of private jets. One day I decided to quit and open my own shop. So this is a small shop. It's like 1,100 square feet. We do all of that custom work, or we can do original work. You want to do some comments? You want to do? We have any questions? I will be ready to help you out with anything. If you have any projects, you can give me a call if you want to. So this way, you know, I can show you what to do and how to do it. Thanks for watching this video, and let me do a close so you can see how nice and neat the cutout on the phone it is. Every little detail, everything, you know, we're taking care. So like I was telling you about the old phone, that it has this over here. So this is about like 4 inch. So what we're doing here is take the 4 inch okay, this is the way it's gonna be. This is the bottom cushion. Before we glue it down, what we have to do is trim over here. So this way you have a nice, you know, nice shape. I'm gonna show you something like that. Let's say this is the piece that we need to trim. So what we do is, let's say we need like to do 1 inch. This is the machine that we use for foam. So what we do is we take the foam cutter, mark it where you're gonna cut it. Okay, so let's pretend that this is the piece that goes here. So now you see you have the shape of the old one over here. That will be next step. And the only thing I am showing right now, how we start the foam. This is the hard part of the foam. The rest is easy. Just trim, make a couple adjustments. After that, we make the cover. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I've been doing private jets, cars, trucks, motorcycle seats, furniture. You want to leave a comment, feel free to do it. If you have any questions, I would love to answer those questions. If you need like a tip, where to start or how to do it or where to get materials, I would like to help you out with your project. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, ring the notification bell, so this way in the future you can see more videos about this. I've been doing a lot of videos now. I have a lot of videos about the bucket seats, carpet, things like that. But this is the first video that is about foam. This foam, like you see, we reorder, we fabricate here because that's 100% custom. There are some companies that they sell foam for different kind of cars, but for this particular car, for this 1934 Chevy, we cannot order because those frames is custom made. This is a special order that we did for the car. So that's why we had to fabricate everything here from the bottom up. So this way everything is gonna be 100% custom. Thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends, and hopefully we see you in the next video. Take care, guys.